Hi everybody, this is Bonnie from Bonnie's Creative Place, and I'm here with week number 6 of our 10 weeks of Christmas. And before we get started, I would like to remind you that if you see anything here you'd like to purchase today from me, you can go to bonniescreativeplace.stampinup.net. If it's not available anymore, I will tell you where you can go or what suggestions I could give you. The other thing is if you would please subscribe to my videos, you can hit the little pink square over in the right hand corner. It'll let you know whenever I upload a video, and if you hit the bell, it'll let you know immediately that I upload a video. So this is going to be our little gift card holder. It's a little punch art gnome. Is he not cute? So we're going to make a little gift card holder, and I'm going to show you how to quickly make this little gnome. So let's get started. So the first thing we need is a piece of paper that is 6 by 5 1/4. Okay, so we cut that off. So on the 5 1/4 inch side, we are going to score at 3/4. And remember, the score one is the light one. Maybe I should put this up here so you guys can see it better. And we're going to score at 3/4. We're going to rotate it, and we're going to score at 3/4 again. Then we're going to rotate it to the 6 inch side, and we're going to score it at 1 1/4. And then we're going to score it at 3 3/4. Pretty good there. There we go. And so it'll look like this. Now, if I wanted the candy canes on the outside, you want to be mindful of your directions that you want your designer series paper. But I'm going to use this for the outside because I wasn't mindful of which direction my piece of paper had to go for. So first we're going to score on all the score lines, and then we'll get to some cutting. Okay, so here we got all this. So now what we're going to do is we are going to cut at a slight, well, not now, right here we're just going to cut directly on, but right here we're going to cut at a slight angle, just like that, okay? And then we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to cut up just a little bit here, and then we're going to cut at a slight angle on that side. And then we don't need this piece neither, so we can just cut straight across, and then we're going to cut straight across down here. And I think I was off the line a little there, but should be okay. And then we'll cut straight across down here and here. Alrighty, this is a little off. Little off wonker there. There we go. Alright, so now this will come up like this. These two pieces will come in, and this will come down. And I think nope, I did cut these at a little bit of an angle. So we will trim these. Looking at the back side of that. Just a slight angle. Not much. And then let's see. I think I might bring this one in a little because I did on this side and it doesn't hang off. I think I should have scored on this side of the paper. Cut on the opposite side of the score line. Oops. That really made it crooked. Oh boy. Okay, there. That looks good. Now before we get to gluing it together, you want to take a 1 inch punch and you want to punch it right in the middle. Now, I know Stampin' Up! Got rid of a lot of their circle punches, and I don't know if the 1 inch, I think it might have been gone. But if you have circle cutters, you know, the little dies or anything, you can use that just the same way, or use whatever you have, you know. So, okay. So now we're going to put adhesive right here. So we're going to put adhesive along here. And we're going to tear it. And we're going to put a piece right along here on the edge and tear it. And I'm also going to put a piece along here, but this one I am not going to tear off until I get ready to put the gift card in and give it to somebody, you know, to give it away. And so I'm just going to peel these up just like this. That. And then we'll just stick them right down, and then we'll take our little gift card and it'll fit right in there, and you can close it, and you will peel this off when you're getting ready to give it away, after you put your gift card in it. Okay, so now let's make this cute little gnome that's on the front. So for the gnome we need to bring in a bunch of scrap papers I got here. We need a piece of scrap paper that is petal pink, and that's going to be for his nose, and we're going to cut that out with the 1/2" circle punch. And this is not in the catalog anymore. Stampin' Up! Did take that out, so sorry. And then we need to bring in a piece of basic gray and take the 1 1/2" circle punch. That's what this one is, right? 1/2" circle punch. And we'll punch that out, and that's for his body. Okay. Then we're going to take a piece of Whisper White, and we're going to cut out the tulip. We're going to use the tulip punch, and we're going to use this one right here. And this one is going to be for his beard. So we're going to punch that out. Then, this is a very old punch. It's a trio heart punch, but any heart punch that you have that you can make some feet out of. I always liked, when I did my punch art, I liked this punch because I liked this right here if I had to make any feet. So I'm going to be using that one right there. And I'm just going to put it in on this side and just punch out one little heart. And then we need some real red, and this is going to be for his hat, and we're just going to punch the tree. So you don't need the stem, you're just going to punch the upper part of the tree. You don't need the trunk or anything. And we got that for his hat. Then we got to go back to the Whisper White, and any type of little punch that you have that kind of looks like a little flower. This is a little flower one. These are the little ones that Stampin' Up! Gets like during the holiday seasons and like annual catalogs, or not annual, the mini catalogs. And they always have these little mini stamp sets, and that's from one of them. So it's definitely not around, but anything that you have for that. So now we're just going to put our little gnome together. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take, make sure we're going to take the basic gray body, put it down, and we're going to add this beard right to his little body. And I'm just using some adhesive. And I'm just going to put his body just like that. And I have a little bit up there, which is good. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put his feet on. And for this, I need a little bit of glue. It's a brand new one. Okay, so we'll put just a dab of glue right there. And we're going to pick this up and put that right there. So that is his body, or his feet. See how cute? Oops, I moved it and it wasn't dry yet. Can't be moving things when they're not dry. So there's his little feet. Now we're going to put his hat on, but first we got to put his little nose right there. Now you can do one of two things. You can leave the nose flat, or you can pop it up. And I popped it up because I thought it looked cute popped up. So that's what I did. So I went ahead and got a Stampin' Dimensional. One of the big ones fits right on there. and I just put this right there. Now I'm going to also pop up the little snowball that is going to go on the little hat, and a mini dimensional fits right on that. And we will remove it and we'll put it right at the top of the tree like that. Now we're going to put this on here, but you kind of want it level a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some dimensionals right down here, kind of on either side of the nose a little bit there, so it doesn't look so funny when you go to put it down. Okay, so, and I might put one up a little higher too. I don't know if I'm going to peel that one off yet. I'm just going to put it there, and if I peel, I may peel it off, I may not. We'll see. But I'm definitely going to peel these two off. So we'll peel them off, and we'll put this right here, just like that. And now I'm going to pick this up and see, I don't know, we'll see how this fits. If this fits on my card good, I will be peeling that off after I do my stamping. So now we just need another piece, a little scrap piece here of Whisper White, and we've got the Real Red. And again, I'm taking these words that says Holly Jolly Everything, and this came out of the Gnome stamp set. And I'm going to put it right down here at the bottom of this card. So it looks like that. And then I'm going to bring in my little trimmer that I have here. And I'm going to cut it. And I'm going to put this guy right under there like that. So, he's already sticking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this down here. So I'll take some adhesive, snail, or Stamp and Seal. I always want it, because we used to have snail. Now we have Stamp and Seal. So I'll put that right there. And then right here, I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive. You could use glue. You could use whatever you have at this point. And I'm going to remove this dot, because that'll help us get some more. And we're going to put this little guy right here, just like that. Are these not the cutest little gnomes? I mean, they're quick, they're simple, and they're a lot of fun. And the little gift card isn't hard to make neither. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's 10 weeks of Christmas, and this is week 6, I said. Like, subscribe, share, share, share. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Bye-bye.